Why does that look like that?
That's bullshit.
I don't know.
This isn't what I freaking wanted, ma'am.
That's soy sauce. You want soy sauce?
Damn it! What am I gonna do with this fucking lettuce here? Call him up.
What do you want me to say?
Where's my pork?
Gary, that's not what I ordered. It's all that seaweed?
Tea leaves.
Well, excuse me.
Damn it, where's my freaking pork?
Is there anything in there? Oh my
This-
God, I'll just say, they didn't give you no pork. You're right. Okay, well, quit eating. What are you doing?
What are you gonna take it back?
Well, I gotta tell them. Oh my
Why
God.
didn't you freaking look in it before you left?
It was all wrapped up. Oh my God. Okay, wait. What's that seed? Is it spinach? Okay, let me call him up.
Ricky, there's pork, a little bit of pork in here.
Okay, wait.
Give me a soda.
Okay.